Welcome, I'm here with Tim Cannon from Pecan Engineering, and I've just got a bit of a video chat with him. So obviously, Tim, tell us about your business and how you do it.
Here at Pecan Engineering, we manufacture our main product. We're a manufacturing company, but also a marketing company. So what's fortunate for us is we're able to make our own product. So we work out what the market needs, and then we are able to manufacture those products. So our main industry is wood heaters, domestic slow combustion wood heaters. We've been making them we've been in business for over 40 years. Employ almost 50 people, manufacturing here in Adelaide.
How important is your workplace culture, and what's yours like here at Pecan?
Well, for us, I suppose that really our business, our brand is our most important aspect. If we damage our brand, then we can't sell our products. So if our staff aren't, so that ties back to the quality of our products. So if there's bad workplace culture, then the staff manufacturing our products, they're not going to be as concerned or caring about the final result when the products come off the end of the production line. So for us, workplace culture is really important. We want an environment that guys want to come to work and take the time and effort to make sure that the quality of the products meets the standards and expectations that we require to keep delivering quality products year on, year out.
How many people you got working here?
We've been almost 50, between about 45 people.
Yep. And so you're still manufacturing everything here in Adelaide?
We do. We have a range. We have several ranges of products, different brands. So one of our cheaper brand is made in China.
Yep.
But those themselves, every product that we get that's made, wood heater made in China, we bring here, we unwrap, we personally inspect them here in Australia.
Yep.
Before we box them up again and send them off, so that when they're received in someone's home, we can be guaranteed that there's no scratches, there's no parts missing or anything like that, and the quality's always there.
And they meet all quality assurances and standards and et cetera.
Yeah. So culture is, it's important. It's an ongoing thing. It's, can't just make it happen, and it has to come from the top down. You can't have senior staff cracking the whip and expect the guys working on the floor to respect that and have a positive attitude. So it has to come from the top down.
Brilliant. And then obviously buzz at the moment is, how important is your social media to your business or to the business?
We have a Facebook page and Instagram here in Australia. We get lots of great photos of people installing our wood heating products in new homes or renovated homes, and some people they really take pride in the presentation, and our products get to sit there in the forefront of that. So it's a great opportunity for people to post photos of our products in an amazing backdrop setting. And then also the Facebook gives an avenue for people to be able to make informal inquiries about if they're having a problem with one of our products, they can't get it to perform or put out the heat that they might expect. They can put up a post on Facebook, and then we respond straight away with a response that then other people can then see those responses, and they themselves can get better at operating those wood heaters.
Yep.
We also currently we sell to the US as well. So as part of our marketing strategy in the US we've released a US Facebook page, and that's been met with really positive response, and as a result of that we've managed to pick out a number of dealers that want to sell our product because of the Facebook page. So from a marketing and costs, there's very little marketing resulting in a number of dealers wanting to stock our product in the US.
Awesome. And another just a nice question: if your business was a movie, what movie would it be?
when I thought about that and I thought about weed manufacturing, shows my age. There's a movie with Michael Keating from the 80s called Working Class Man in a Japanese car manufacturing plant, and from memory that was all about culture, and he, got everyone motivated, and typical American movie, but
Oh, nice. And what's happening in the next few months here, or anything exciting happening in the next few months that you'd like people to know about?
For us, we're coming into winter, so this is our busiest time of the year. So we have to go flat chat, trying to make products, wood heaters to keep up with demand.
Yeah.
But then also we have a research and development side to the business, so we're always working on new products, and we have a couple of new products that we hope to have ready by the end of the year and ready for next season,
Yep.
Which we're really excited about. And we also have a couple of blue sky innovations which hopefully we can squeeze in between as well.
What's blue sky? Just for
Blue
those who don't know.
sky is innovative, relating to wood heating or wood combustion of wood,
Yeah.
whether it's outdoor fire pits or more out there designs than just a standard, here's an appliance that you put a fire in, something that is more captivating and takes advantages of the flames within the firebox and
Okay.
more visually appealing.
Yeah. So there's a fair bit of science behind a lot of these
Science
products.
and design too. So we have a number of industrial designers
Yeah.
that working on our products and our designs to give it that design flair.
Yep. Yep. Cool. And one tip or some advice for somebody who's just starting their own journey in business, or have just started their own small business.
When I think about that, I suppose it's hard to know everything. You can't know everything, particularly if it's breaking into a new business. So trying to make the most of whether it's social media or LinkedIn or various network channels, and collaborating with others to broaden your knowledge base and using what they know to help facilitate achieve your own objectives or goals within that business.
Yep. And is there anyone you'd like to do business with now or in the future, or somebody in the pipeline you'd like to talk to about doing some more business with?
At the moment we do, carrying on from my previous point, we do quite a bit of, when I say business, or collaborate with universities from a research and development and innovation aspect. So do quite a bit of it. So it's a mutual, it benefits them and their students that need to get their quota for experience and as part of their academic requirements. But for us, we get to utilise these young, energetic guys and their creativity. So that works well for us. Other than that, we stand alone and we're
Happy.
happy.
Yeah. And is there anything that people don't really know about Pecan or Fireplaces that they should be made aware of, or is there something that the public don't really understand? If there's something you can tell them about heating or combustion, etc.
Let's see, modern wood heaters, the Australian EPAs have made wood heaters have to comply with quite strict emission standards and efficiencies in terms of heat output, which means that modern heaters are much more cleaner burning, much more efficient, and produce less smoke. Heaters from 20 years ago were filthy old things producing a lot of smoke, but the thing is that an old heater, they don't die, they'll just keep burning. So, and as a result, they're still in people's homes, and because you can still put a fire in it, people still keep using them to heat their home. But when I say polluting, the air quality is filled with smoke from these wood heaters, which paints, it's all wood heaters then get classified in that same category that they're all filthy polluters when the modern wood heaters are clean burning. So, it's these old, dirty old wood heaters that need to be taken out of homes and replaced with modern clean wood heaters, and there would be less of an issue with air pollution and air quality as a result of wood heaters.
What about cost running a wood fire heater versus a gas or electric? What's the market like there?
Wood heating, well, I live in Adelaide Hills, and I would have my heater burning 24 hours a day. And for the 3 months of winter, at the coldest time, I'd be lucky if I was to burn 2 tonnes, maybe 1.5 tonnes of wood, and I think the current market price is $320 or $340 a tonne, so
cheaper than
$600 heating costs over winter, running it 24 hours a day, and the house is forever warm. So during that time, so much more than that running, if you run your reverse cycle air conditioner, you'll get an electricity bill of more than $600 heating your house. So and the heat as well, it's a much better type of heat than just heating up the air in the room. The wood heater heats up the whole house, not just the air in the room, which an electric reverse cycle air conditioner would do.
Alright, so thanks Tim for your time, and if anyone is looking for Pecan or Nectre, the best place to check them out is to go to where, Tim?
Our website, nectre.com. We also have our other brand is Fireplaces.com.au. Or look us up on Facebook.
Okay.
That's probably the easiest.
And then they can find what heater they like, and then they can go to an approved dealer or...
We have dealers all over Australia, 250 or more dealers around Australia. So there should be someone not too far away that would stock our products.
Thank you Tim for your time, and see you